All right, well, let's bring you some important details of what the cost to Air India is as a result of no overflights over Pakistan. It's costing Air India very, very dearly. Let's bring up the next point so that we can take a look at what this is all about. Now, since this airspace ban over Pakistan took place on the 27th of February, flights now need to cross the Arabian Sea. And the end result of this is that it's getting very, very expensive. The next point. Let's just quickly keep changing these points. Flights directly to the United States have been very, very badly affected. These are ultra long-haul flights. As a result of this, these flights are having to stop in Sharjah or at Vienna. And each time it takes a great deal of time and it costs a lot as well. Now, each refueling halt costs 50 lakh rupees. So if you multiply the number of flights which have operated over the last couple of days, then that becomes problematic. It's upwards of 60 crores. Therefore, a few days back, Air India reduced the number of flights stopping in Vienna. They instead decided that they would refuel their planes in Mumbai, but there is a payload penalty. In other words, the flights are carrying less. If a plane carries less, the airline earns more. The bottom line here for passengers, the flights are 4 hours longer on an average to the United States as a result of the refueling halts. And this is also the case as far as flights to Europe are concerned. Air India has cancelled the flight to Birmingham and to Madrid. That's because they need extra pilots. Why? Because the flights which they are operating to Europe and which are operational now are up to 1.5 hours or 2 hours longer. So there needs to be a third pilot on board as well. So these are problems that Air India is encountering, and I need to tell you that passengers can say that they need to be reimbursed. That's something Air India would need to cough up as well. So these are difficult times for an already cash-strapped airline.